Good afternoon. This is Barry with Walton Fabrication, Barry Chevy Parts. We're finishing up on this almond truck, as we call it. Say hi, Larry. So we got a couple things going on. We got finishing up on the Mustang 2. Got all new brake lines in it. Remounted the proportion valve. Remounted the exhaust link the exhaust pipe that got hacked. Did a unique custom gas tank. The guy doesn't walk out really good, so he wanted the gas tank mounted on the driver's side. So we took a panel, Suburban gas tank, and resettled it, and now he can fill it up right there. We reset the rear end, so the rear end is down lower. Got all new brake lines in it, new fuel line. Drive shaft is just fine. So that's what we did underneath here. Now we'll lower it down. All right. So I can't open the door up all the way. We're not quite finished with the interior, but we got the seat mounted. Has a slight back rake, so it supports the underneath of your legs. For you guys that don't know, we now have the 54 steering wheel in a 15-inch diameter, and everything works inside of it. So this is a 50, but we're going to go with a 54. This is important when you're doing power steering. You don't need an 18-inch wheel. The car's been rewired. We put an antenna into it. Walton Fabrication master cylinder. Armrests. New glass all the way around. And a one-piece windshield. You guys might remember that we redid the A-pillar on this side from about here down at the seam. There's the master cylinder, carburetor. We got the condenser all mounted. Got a little bit of wiring to do up here, and then a loom to put into it. I'll make up the AC hoses tomorrow, and bleed the brakes, and hook up the power steering hoses. This also we've eliminated that port right there. So that's where we're at with the almond truck. Remember to follow, subscribe. Excuse me. Follow, subscribe, and like. If you got any questions, you can give us a call. 530-308-2533.